Hey y'all, welcome to Must or Bust. So I'm about to open a Good Ranchers box for you. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe. And if you decide to grab a Good Ranchers box yourself, just because of this video, make sure to let them know and let me know in the comments below. Let's get started. So this order supported over 70 American farms and communities that depend on them. By the way, use the code NEXTORDER to get $25 off of your first order or next order with Good Ranchers. Make sure to uncover, and I'm gonna show you what I have in here right now. I'm not gonna read you the list, I'm just gonna kind of pop them out here. So first off, we have chopped Angus steak ground beef, 32 ounces, so 2 pounds. Beef bone-in short loin steak, 34 ounces of steak. All this is high quality meat, y'all. I love this. This is beef flat iron steak, 26 ounces of this stuff here. Then we have boneless chicken breast right here. As you can see, 36 ounces. All right, so what I have here is about 160 ounces worth of meat. Now this box itself is about $194. That's before you get any discounts or any of their specials. And so that is a lot of food, is a lot of meat. It is shipped, it's frozen until you cook it, obviously. And then, like I said, use the code NEXTORDER. Go look at their website too. They support a lot of good companies in the United States. If you look at what they stand for and what they represent, it is a good conservative values. And so I recommend checking that out as well. And just kind of take a look at that. I know when you purchase things, you can't help but buy things that may or may not support everything that you do. But if you can find a company that does and ships to your house, that's pretty cool. And they actually sent me this box as a complimentary box, so I'm excited for that too. And now you're probably saying, well, what about the meat? I will show, that'll be another video, y'all. So I'll show you a video where I actually cook this. I have to obviously thaw it and let it go there. So there you go. That is my Good Ranchers Ranch box. 160 ounces of awesome meat and beef. And you got to think about it, you know, as much as meat costs and where you're getting it, and maybe there's so many different things. I got that shipped here, and I think it's pretty cool of how they do that. So, hey, thanks for watching Must or Bust, and I'll see you on the next one.